And here we are, everybody, out in Henderson, Nevada, and we are at the Godfather out here on Green Valley Parkway. An amazing place, Five Guys, a lot of amazing food. So we're going to go in and check it out. And yeah, and I just heard about this video about a week ago from Bob Eats Vegas, YouTube channel I just stumbled across. I checked out a bunch of videos from different people, and now we're out here with my family and we're going to go check it out. So let's go in and see what they got. Let's take a picture of some of the stuff they got here on the walls.
Are you still snacking?
Yeah.
Do you have two locations?
No, just this one.
Okay.
Just one.
And the condiments just arrived. We've got malt vinegar, we've got salt, and we've got Heinz ketchup, and some really awesome, it looks like homemade tartar sauce. And I'm having A&W drink today, and Dr. Pepper's over here, and the food will be here any minute, guys. All right, guys, the food is on the way. Glynn, the owner himself, is bringing it. I can't wait to try this.
We are.
Wow.
Filmed a lot.
That's the
pass it over.
sandwich. Thank you. That's another sandwich.
Cool.
Oh, wow.
That's the spam fritters.
All right.
The chips.
He's got to film the food first.
Amazing.
My friend and the cod.
Oh, wow.
Mushy peas. Curry sauce. Curry sauce and the gravy.
I don't think I've ever had curry sauce. Mushy peas,
did you
I've never had
Tried the
before.
mushy peas before?
Never tried them
Tried
yet.
them.
Can't wait.
So try them separately. I like these two, the
Okay.
curry and the peas. Try them separately and then try to mix together. But they work really good with the fish, it's good with the chips. So they all work really well.
Okay.
Well together.
You don't care that I film you, right?
Not at all. Okay. The gravy's good with the chips. Some people eat with the fish. It's not my favourite, but
Okay.
you know.
Well, thank you very much. Can't wait to dig in. And I got my sister Janie here. What did you get, Janie?
A cod butty, which a butty is anything on a sandwich. And
Wow.
it is delicious.
Wow.
Delicious.
Looks amazing.
It is.
And David, what are you eating? Same thing?
Yeah, cod, but
Buddy.
You got coleslaw with it?
no, to get the coleslaw.
Okay. And my wife Brandy here. What are you eating there, Brandy?
Fish.
How's the coleslaw and everything?
Coleslaw's bland, everything else is good. I'm positive.
Some cod fritters.
Spam.
Oh, spam fritters. Okay. And I've got some cod here. It looks amazing. Very flaky. Very good. Very hot. Very good. Well, the fish and chips were excellent. As you can see, they write everything up. Tartar sauce was homemade. It was amazing. The soup, clam chowder with bacon bits in it, was excellent. It was red hot when it came out, so I had to let it cool down quite a bit. And then the gravy, the mushy peas, I'll take home, and curry we'll take home. And then my wife has some deep fried spam here. She'll be taking that home with a piece of her fish. And my sister had the sandwich and her husband, and they just loved it. Awesome. Very good. So we'll be taking the rest to go, but yeah. And that's going to be about it for this video, I think. But please, thanks, sorry, I burped there. Please, thanks for watching. Everybody have an awesome day. Please like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you in the next one. Later now.